Yo, what's going on, Double RT, man? It's your boy Rashad, Richmond Rashad Talk, guys. And today I'm outside with you, bro. I just want to say, bro, in this life, bro, whatever you put in your mind, bro, just keep going at it, bro. Today we went out to do some little quick video, like a little public interview video, bro. But like we didn't find nobody. We were out for 5, 6 hours and we only got one person to do one video with, bro. And think about this, bro. The fact that we show up, the fact that we stay outside, even though we couldn't find nobody, we keep getting no's and no's and no's, bro. We kept showing up. The goal is to keep showing up, bro. If you want to succeed in this life, bro, you have to keep showing up. Showing up is the first step to success, bro. Keep showing up. Keep getting no's. Keep getting rejected. I swear to God, bro, you need those no's, bro. Because the no's is what's gonna make you. Because if you keep getting yes all the time, then it's not gonna feel good once you start getting yeses, bro. We got so many no's today. Even my little brother who, the cameraman, he looked at me, he said, damn, bro. I'm like, nah, let's keep going. And that's the problem nowadays, bro. Nowadays we want things super fast. We want things to happen like super really fast, bro. It can't happen like that. You have to wait. You have to be patient. You have to keep putting the work in, bro. You can't expect something great if you haven't put a lot of work in, bro. And that's on God, bro. Just think about that, bro. If you do the little thing and get like, let's just say you post a video and get like 1 million views, bro. So now you're expecting 1 million views every time. So the next time you post a video, you don't get 1 million views. Now you're like, damn, bro, what happened? You kind of get discouraged a little bit, and you post another video, you don't get 1 million views, and you get discouraged. And the third one or the fourth one, you post another one, and you don't get 1 million views. Now you're like, man, fuck this shit. This shit not for me. Maybe you're just luck. There's no such thing as luck, bro. You have to put the work in. There's no fluke. You just got to keep doing it. Once you keep doing something consistently, the results gonna show. The results gonna pay, bro. And that's facts. And I just wanted to share this video with you because I was out. As you can see, it's night. We done. I'm doing this video outside. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to share this with you, bro. Whatever you do in this life, bro, just keep being consistent. Keep doing it, bro. Keep showing up. That's the whole purpose of this life. Keep showing up, bro. I swear to God, if you keep showing up at one point, bro, God is gonna bless you. Even your work is gonna reward you because you kept showing up, bro. And that's all I got to share with you, bro. And I'm gonna link the videos that I be doing, in my public interviews. I'm gonna link it down in the description. If you wanna go check it out, you can subscribe, you know what I'm trying to say? Hit a like and comment down, bro. I'll fuck with you, bro. But double RT Richmond Rashad Talk, bro. I'm out of here, bro. It's late. I'm out.
Riley.
Riley?
Ari.
Ari, hey, nice to meet you. I have a quick, easy question for you. Do y'all believe men and women can be just friends?